But good morning, y'all. I'm currently driving. I'm all in my face with this camera. About to crash the car. Hold on now. Hold on. Just wanted to tell y'all that I'm headed to work. And so today is another day. I'm in okay spirits. I woke up. I went to sleep last night and I was just a little like, ugh, here we go again. Because my weeks are just so long. And then now with business starting to pick up and me being there all day Saturdays, it can be a little bit too much. I'm working on getting my mentality together around that, because ultimately I'm grateful for this and this is what I wanted, and everything is gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. So we're headed to work, and I thought that I would just show a few of my clients who I know wouldn't mind being in the vlog today. And yeah, I'll just show y'all how I set up and clean up and interact with my clients a little bit and all of that. So let's get to it. Catch y'all when we get to the suite, and I'm also gonna update y'all on like what the suite is looking like. So I give y'all like a little little tour. You get to see that because you watching this video. So thank y'all for the continued support, and we gonna have a good day. Today is January 16th, 2021. So we gonna get to it. This angle, honey, I don't know what. It's okay. It's okay. All right, y'all. I made it to the suite. It's kind of dark in here. All right. We're about to set things up. I got about like 15-20 minutes before my client comes, so I can't talk to y'all too much because my client is coming and I'm not ready. So I also want to set up for her and then the client after her. I usually try to set up for like 2 clients back to back when I do have 2 clients back to back, and that sometimes can be just putting the other setting of like the file, the buffer and stuff to the side so I can just grab it. But yeah, about to vibe to some music and set up, so let's get to it. Know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. Do you remember, girl? I was the one who gave you your first kiss. Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said put your lips like this. Even before all the soon gonna be my own product, cause I'm making my own Epsom sauce. So we ain't gonna be using Dr. Tears no more. So I went ahead, I set everything up. So this is what I do, y'all. I bought like 400 of these things, but it didn't fit on the shape of here. So I just bought these little like clips and it works. So I just fill this up and I got everything that I put in my pedicure water in there and just let it run. And then I just set everything up in the order that I'm gonna use it. I got a few more things that's missing that I need to put down as well too. And then my gloves, and then I do this little 2 towel method. I have a towel here, and then this is the towel that kind of goes on my lap when I'm sitting, but then I also use it to dry their feet and if I need to wipe anything on it. So kind of crisscross it like that for any nail techs out there like that who do pedicures as well too. That's very helpful. I just want to show y'all 2 new products that I am working on that are going to be for purchase soon, but I'm currently just using them on my clients. I have a body butter and it looks like this, and it looks like that. I didn't add any fragrance to it, so it's just like the natural smell, and like this is before so y'all can see. And then this is going to be, and this is after. So the camera I use on my clients. My clients be greased up, okay? You're gonna leave out of here slipping and sliding for sure, but will always be mine. But I know about us. It's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. It's the only way we know how to rock. Alright, y'all, I just finished a pedicure. We just did a classic pedicure gel polish, and she got I didn't even get a before on here. I do got some footage in my phone though, so I'll put it on the screen for y'all. But this is the after, nice and soft. Okay, so the time is currently 2:20. I just finished my client. I have my next client at 2:30, so I literally got like 3 minutes to sanitize and set up everything. I gotta get better with my timing. My timing isn't the best. Like I just did a gel manicure and it took me about an hour to do gel manicure. Okay, so I'm trying to get better with my timing. So this next client, we gonna try to get her manicure done in like 45 minutes, including her soak off. That's the thing, like the soak off is like 30 minutes, but okay, let's try to make it, yeah, like 45 minutes. So I'm about to set up real fast, and I'm actually gonna set up for my next pedicure and my client that's coming only get a gel manicure, because my client after the gel manicure is getting a pedicure and a manicure. So I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna get some footage with my last client for y'all so y'all can see that again. But I'm pushing through. I'm just hungry. I haven't eaten anything. I haven't drank anything. So talk to y'all soon.
I can only think about your lips.
Talk about it.
Okay, Kai. That's Kai.
Is it? Yeah.
Don't be messy.
Don't be messy, honey. Just finished my last client. Let's see your little nails. I'm gonna show y'all the before on the screen somehow. And then she also got a pedicure as well too. Cute.
And I love it.
You love it? I don't know if you want to be on the camera. Do you want to be on the camera?
I don't mind. I don't mind.
You don't mind? Okay. There you go. Say it.
I love my nails.
Yes.
Okay.
Period. Yes. Good.
Thank
good.
you.
You are welcome. Hi guys. It is dark out here. I'm in my car and I almost forgot to close out today's vlog, but I just want to go ahead and close out this vlog. It's currently 8:02. I'm picking up my friend and we're about to go out for drinks and dinner, and I'm headed home. So that basically was my day. I didn't vlog everything, but I did have some content for you all, so I hope you all enjoyed it. You just kind of could see like what my days be like when I'm doing what I do. So yeah, I will talk to you all in the next vlog. My lights are off now. Thanks for the continued support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.